poppin'. Sparkles in the be my friend, you know your teeth looking sexy, you know that be my man. I'm tired of the I'm tired of the
Oh, so I'm in the back of I'm in the bed of the truck as you can see. Wait, I'll turn on my flash. How do I do that? Hold on, I'm turning on my flash. There we go. So, I'm in the back of the truck. You can't see anything, but there's people in there. There's people in that truck. Now I'm in a short sleeve t-shirt and some pants right now because it's not too cold. It's not that bad. Although I am a bit cold right now because the wind is like coming all up on me. It's kind of shivering me timbers a little bit. So right now we're on our way to yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm a little cold. Not too bad though, because it's not too cold to begin with, but it's a little chilly. I'm getting chillier and chillier as time goes on. Right before this, I was listening to some music on my phone since I can't hear the music inside the truck. But now I'm filming, so I can't listen to music, but that's okay. Because oh jeez! The truck's moving everywhere. I'm getting a little crazy. Getting a little brazy. I don't even know if I'm pointing this at my face enough or not. Can't really see because I'm filming in 0.5 and that only works on the back camera. You know, I kind of wish I put a sweater on for this truck ride. Like at the start, it wasn't bad, but now it's cold. I just hope he doesn't really brake too hard so that I don't bang my head on the truck, because I'll go flying forward. That would suck. See a star. It's the only star I see. One singular star. Not the starry night, but there is a star. I wouldn't consider it a starry night because there's only one star. It might be a little cloudy. I think that's why. Not too bad though, but just a little bit. Alright, I'm really debating whether or not I should put on a sweater right now. I think we're almost there, but so I don't know if it's worth it or not, because I might end up taking it off. But it would really suck if I don't know, I'm not in the mood to get up and put it on. But yeah, I think I'll just tough it out, to be honest. I don't know how much longer I can look at this light for. It's quite the bright light. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the flash off. Okay. Flash is off. That is way better. Now I can see again. It's not, now that I can see, I'm looking at the sky. It's not even that cloudy. It's not really cloudy at all. There's like a couple clouds, but not really. don't know where the stars are. Maybe they're a little shy. Except for that one. One brave star. What a brave guy. Oh, we're turning. Oh, we're on a gravel road. Shiver me timbers. Oh, I see another star. 2 stars. And a not so starry sky. Oh, you know what? We did just turn, and so that might be the exact same star I'm looking at right now. But I don't think it is, though. No, I don't think it is. I think that might be a different star. Oh, I'm getting cold. You know what though? If I had a sweater on, this would be a great experience. Lying down like this is so much better than sitting. Either we're at a stop sign or we're there. I think we're there because we're backing up. Woo! Oh, we are so there. Alright. I think we're there. I'm gonna end it here. Alright. That's about it. See ya.
Drop it. I'm on the wop wop. Let me fuck you up. Ooh, this shit be hitting different. Blazer, blazer, blazer. Rock the